Hey everybody, welcome back to another QGIS tutorial here on GIS with Skip. In this video we're going to talk about how do you upload a CSV with your coordinates and your features into a layer on QGIS. It's quite simple. You're going to start by clicking layer here on the top, and then you're going to say add layer, add delimited text layer, because we're going to be bringing in a CSV, which is a comma delimited values. So we want this add delimited text layer. It's going to bring up this window here. Under file name, we're going to click the little ellipses here on the right, and I'm just going to navigate down. I have a GIS data folder here with this CSV here of Jersey Mike subs. It's all the locations in US and Canada. I love Jersey Mike's. It is the supreme sub sandwich shop. So here we get a preview of our data. We see our longitudes and we see our latitudes. Everything there looks nice. Everything else here looks good. We can come down here into geometry definitions. That's where we're going to have to specify our X field, which is going to be our latitudes, I believe. X is actually our longitude, and our Y is our latitude. That makes a lot more sense. And then here for Geometry CRS, we know we are using WGS 84, so we can go ahead and click that. And we simply click Add. And if we move this off and close it, we can see that all of our data points have been added to the map. So that's how you take a CSV and add it in as a layer in QGIS. If you liked this video, I'd appreciate if you clicked the like button. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, drop those in the comments down below. I'll be sure to reply. And if you got anything out of this video whatsoever, I would appreciate a subscribe. It's a free and easy way to support the channel. Thanks, and have a great day.